This is an almost impossible, open-ended question, and so you can answer with something slightly proximate. But in the next 25 years, if not what's on the horizon, which is probably impossible to answer and maybe somewhat presumptuous, because what's so wonderful about what we've discussed are the surprises, these unexpected turns. So if not what's on the horizon, what would you hope for? What would really just be gratifying for you in the next 25 years?
I think the big question is, what is time? Is it, again, something that we invent and impose on reality to organize events in some coherent manner, allowing us to describe them mathematically and make predictions for what will happen next? Or is time intrinsically woven into some kind of fabric of reality, and it's just part and parcel of how the universe is put together? So I think that is one very concrete question, which we're already making progress on. I mean, we don't have time for it, but I'll just quickly mention there are results that at least suggest that we can imagine realms where space and time as we know them have not yet coalesced. If you have an ordinary piece of fabric, it's stitched out of threads of the material, but it needs to be organized correctly to be a shirt. It could be that the fabric of space-time similarly has to be woven in the right way before it has the properties that we are familiar with, and there could be realms where it hasn't been so woven, so there is no space and time using the conventional language of science. More deeply, obviously, I think the question that Leibniz asked, why is there something rather than nothing? And of course, it isn't just, nothing of empty space. I mean, it's truly nothing. It's a very difficult concept to grasp, but can we gain insight into why there is anything at all? That, to me, would be the big prize.